Welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name is Leo Johnson, and today you join me aboard a all-new Sea Ray SDX 270. This is a 2025 model year boat, finished in the full hull black exterior with the stone interior that you see here. It's a well-equipped example. Starting out at the swim platform here, this is a family favorite area. You've got a lot of space over here. You've got cup holders off to your side there, as well as a Fusion Audio head unit controller. You've got a flag mount and a freshwater shower back there as well. Something unique about the sun pad on this new SDX 270, so you can flip this down here, really expand that area. Coming through your walkthrough here, you're gonna have a block-off door. Keep those kids and pets inside while you're underway. Some great storage under here as well, cooler style storage. You've got a telescoping boarding ladder off of the swim platform. The other thing you'll notice as we're walking inside, this boat has the full interior SeaDek all the way throughout, so a really nice, comfortable option. This boat is equipped with the power folding tower in black. You see we've got the Bimini expanded right now. It's a great amount of coverage under here. Very easy to deploy when not in use as well. One of the hallmark features of the SDX series of boats is going to be the storage. Under this port side seat here, see we've got a couple life jackets at the moment, but there is a ton of room in here for all kinds of activities. You're also going to have a cooler style storage over on your starboard side here. Just behind that, you'll see two stainless steel cup holders and a wireless phone charger right there in the center. Got the same thing opposing on the other side here, 4 stainless steel cup holders and 2 wireless phone chargers for your passengers. On the topic of function, this SDX is a very popular option for those looking to maximize their space on the boat. You can flip these seats around rear facing, turn this into an entertainment zone with the optional table that's equipped on this. When you're ready to go, you can flip your seats forward facing. Both your driver and passenger are going to have a flip-up bolster as well to really customize their seating experience. Up here at the helm, this boat is equipped with twin Simrad NSX series screens that you see here. We've got Mercury digital throttle and shift for our 6.2 liter Mercruiser inboard-outboard on this boat, with a wireless phone charger for your captain as well. Your captain's also going to have USB chargers and a 12-volt plug right here. Trim tab controls for your Lenco trim tabs. And then your nice stainless steel steering wheel on a tilt base. Also got some manual controls over here, just below your port side Simrad screen. On your passenger side, your passengers will have access to the main stereo head unit that can be controlled in various places throughout the boat. They're also going to have a nice glove box storage right here, as well as a cup holder and some storage space down below. Under your port side console here, you've got storage for your teak tables in there. You'll notice this boat has an offset walkthrough here. What that's going to do is allow you some extra room for this extra large head compartment. You've got a 2-piece door here with an opening side and a top that opens up. You've got a sink in there. You've also got a great area to hang out, get away from the weather if need be. This boat's got a nice fold-over windshield that pairs very well with this block-off style door right under here. Coming forward, you've got a very deep and inviting space up at the bow. Very comfortable place to hang out. This is a second mounting location for your second table that is equipped on this boat. Cup holders for your passengers, USB chargers, both port and starboard. And one unique feature on the new series of SDX from Sea Ray is you're going to have access to both a bow boarding ladder and a windlass anchor. Traditionally, you'd have to choose one or the other, not on this SDX series from Sea Ray. It's a great function there. You're also going to have a bow shower here to rinse off your anchor or yourself when you're coming in from that bow ladder. That's been a quick video overview of this in-stock Sea Ray SDX 270. Give us a call, check us out at MarineMax.com, or stop by your local MarineMax store today for more details. Thanks for watching.